Hi, this is Mrs. Reed, your friendly librarian at North Garland High School. If we have not met yet, I'm sure we'll be meeting soon. I am home for a few days because I am not feeling well, but I wanted to make sure that I went over a few things with you for your career project. So, what we need to do is go to ReadyHub on your computer and click on ReadyHub. And you are going to look for a pinwheel, a black pinwheel, a black piece that has a pinwheel on it. Click on that. Will be Mackenvia. You want to look and see what school it says that you're at. This one says North Garland High School. You may have something else. If you do, you need to go to, I'm logging into ReadyHub. You may need to go to My Profile and scroll down to Change Site. If you click on Change Site and put in North Garland, you may have an elementary school or middle school on your screen. Okay. So when you get to Mackenvia, you have a screen that looks like this. You're going to go to Groups, and you're going to scroll down to English 1 Careers. And these are the resources for you to use for your research project. I just wanted to go over a few things with you. So the first one, they're in alphabetical order. The first one is called ImageQuest. And it has pictures. So if you're doing like a Google Slides presentation or something else, you can type in the career and there will come up with a bunch of pictures that you could download to use of examples. And if you click on one of these, one thing that's really important to notice is you can download it. And also there is a citation section. So you'll be talking about citing your source or giving permission, showing where you got permission to use a picture, and the citation is already done for you there. So that is the first one. Then across, we have different resources that will be good choices for you to use. This first one is called Career One Stop. It says it's sponsored by the U.S. Department of Labor with the American Job Center Network. Just remember that if you're looking for careers, you want to be careful about where you look for information, that you're not looking somewhere where they're trying to sell you something like a program to be successful in that career, because they may be biased in what they're telling you. But this one has Career One Stop. We're going to put in pharmacist. I can spell it. And it talks about the salary, there are different career videos, pharmacy technicians. There's all kinds of things you can look at to find more information about your career. Learn more about this career, what they do, what the job outlook is, the wages, the education, everything that you need to know is there. So this is one example of a source that we have that you can use. If you go across, we're going to skip the citation machine and cite this for me because we'll talk about that later. But I did include a couple of things because some people are really interested in maybe going to professional sports. And one of the teachers asked me to include a couple of links. And these are, if you're wanting to go into like a professional sporting thing, these are two resources that you can use. Gives you some facts. This one called ONET, what I really like about it is at the bottom, it has a Cite This Page link. And it gives you the citation already done for you. So that's pretty nice. So if we looked up electrician, occupation keyword, there you go. Electrician, here's the career, tells the details, let's see, the tasks, the technology skills, the work activities, the job training, You can find out what in each state what you need. So there's a lot of information: characteristics, interests, work styles, trends that's got just about everything you need for your project. There's the Occupational Outlook Handbook, which is really good. It's the BLS, and you can look for careers there. If we did, let's see, let's do computer programmer. There. Computer programmers, it takes you to the Occupational Outlook Handbook, which is the BLS, which you may see on your paper. And it goes all across here and gives you information that you might need to know. And it has the citation for you also. So that's another really good source for you. It's already done. So these are some possibilities. The great one about this last one I want to show you is the Testing and Education Reference Center. You do need to set up an account, but you can take a little quiz under Explore Careers. If you set up an account, you can use it for your whole time you're in high school. And you do answer some questions, and they recommend careers for you based on your interest. So your teacher might have you do that. You will need to set up an account where it says New Year's or sign up. And you can see if your teacher wants you to take that test. So anyway, these are some possibilities for you. If you have any questions, please email me at dkreed@garlandisd.net. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks.